Hey there, welcome to Beginner Dance Tutorials. I'm Carrie Mitchell, and today we're going to learn the Wellerman dance, also known as the sea shanty dance. This is a very short little dance to the song Wellerman by Nathan Evans. It's not my choreography. It was trending on social media a couple years ago, but I thought I'd bring it back just in time for St. Patrick's Day. I thought it was a fun little Irish themed dance that we can all get up and dance together. We're going to break down the steps nice and slow. We're going to use a lot of repetition. What you're not going to find here is the music. So we're not going to dance it with music in this video. This is the tutorial only. When you want to try it with music, or if you want to see what it looks like with music, there's a separate video. It's linked down in the description below or up here in this card. So you just have to go check out that other video when you're ready to practice this dance with music. All right, stand up. Let's do our little sea shanty dance. Here we go. So I'm gonna dance this whole dance with my hands in my pockets. You can pretend like you have pockets. You can use your arms for style or balance if you prefer. Those are your arms, very easy. Here's our footwork, our first 8 count. You're gonna step out to your right and you're gonna take your hips to the right, and we're just gonna repeat that hip for a total of 4 hips. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4. To the right, then you're gonna step to the left and do the same thing. 5, 6, 7, 8. So we go once to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready? 5, 6, step out to your right. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and left, 6, 7, 8. We're doing it. We're dancing. From here, you're going to sway your hips once to the right, once to the left, and then we're going to go double to the right. 1, 2. So instead of picking up my feet this time, I'm just swaying my hips. Right, left, double to the right, and then you're gonna reverse that. Single to the left, single to the right, double to the left. Or not reverse it, but do it to the left. So it goes single, single, double. Right, left, double to the right, left, right, double to the left. And if you wanna pick up that other foot, you can, whatever you wanna do. We're just doing our hips. Right, left, double, left, right, double. Try just that 8 count. 5, 6, hips to the right. Go single, single, double, and single, single, double. One more time. 5, 6, single hips right. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, back to the top. So we're going to do 4 hips to the right, 4 to the left. 5, 6, step out to your right. You got it. 1, 2, 3. Step out to your left. 5, 6, 7. Single, single, double. Right, left, double to the right, left, right, double to the left. You got it. All right, we're going to go on to our third 8 count. Those were our first 2. Remember, it's recorded. You can pause it and practice it whenever you need to throughout the dance. But if you're ready, we're going to add on hands still in our pockets. This is, in my opinion, the hardest step. So you're taking this right foot and it's a straight leg, and it's just picking up and flopping back down to the ground. What you're gonna do though is you're gonna jump that left leg to it as you bring it down. So it's gonna be 1, 2. So think about picking it up on the and count, and 1 and 2. Just try that. 1, 2, then your left foot's gonna do the same thing. So just practice kicking that left leg up, and then you're gonna kick it and then bring your legs together as you hop with your right leg to the left. So you go and 3 and 4. But it's faster than that, so it's awkward, but it's fun. So we're gonna go right, right, left, left. And if you hate to jump or you don't wanna do a little hopping step, you can just do that. 2 to the right, 2 to the left. If you want to hop, we're going 2 to the right, 1, 2, 2 to the left, 3, 4, 5, 6, hop it to the right. Go right, right, left, left. Ooh, one more time. Cardio. 5, 6, hop it to the right. 4, 2, then 2. From here, you're going to kick your right foot forward, then you're going to step on it, then you're just going to touch your left foot back. I've seen this done a couple different ways. This is just how I'm going to teach it, so change it as you need to. We're going to go kick, step, touch. Just try that. Kick, step, touch. Do it Again, this might be easier to learn with your hands out of your pockets, or maybe not. Kick, step, touch, then your left foot's free to go kick, step, touch your right foot back. Again, kick, step, touch. Just try that. A kick, a step, a touch. Do it again. Kick, step, touch. Very nice. When we put it together, we go kick, step, touch, kick, step, touch. 5, 6. Kick your right foot. Go. Kick, step, touch back. Kick, step, touch back. Yes. 5, 6. Kick your right foot. Go. Kick, step, touch. Kick, step, touch. Yes. 5, 6. Kick your right foot. Go. Kick and kick. This is the 5, 6, 7, 8 of the 8 count. So this was 1, 2. This was 3, 4. And then you're going to count this. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Woo, let's do that whole 8 count together. Hop in that right leg kick. 5, 6. Hop it to the right. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then kick, step, touch. Kick, step, touch. Yeah, we'll do that one more time. 5, 6. 2 hops right. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Great job. Back to the top. We're going to step out to the right, hips to the right for 4 counts. 5, 6, step out to your right. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other way. 5, 6, 7. Single, single, double. Right, left, double to the right, left. Right, 2 hops to your right. Go. 1, 2, 3. Kick, step, touch. Then 7 and 8. Yes. Let's do all that again. Whew, it's hard to keep my hands in my pockets. Here we go. Try it again. They want to move. 4 hips to the right. You got it. 5, 6. Step to your right for 4, 3, 2. Step left. Go. Hip. 6, 7. Then single, single, double. 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. 2 hops to your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and touch. 7 and touch. Fantastic. All right, we've come to our last 8 count. There's only 4 8 counts. Yay. From here. So you just did kick, step, touch. We're going to finish it out. We're going to turn this side to side, but facing the front, we're going to repeat that kick, step, but instead of a touch back, you're going to do a ball change. Left, right. So this time we're going kick, step, 2 steps. Kick, step, ball change. Just try that. Right, right, left, right. Kick, step, ball change. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then your left foot's going to kick, step. We're going to ball change right, left. Yeah, so 2 for your left. Left, left, right, left. Just try that with your left. Kick, step, ball change. 5, 6. Kick your left. Kick, step, right, left. Very nice. So when you put them together, we go kick, step, left, right, kick, step, right, left. 5, 6, you can do it. Kick, step with your right. Right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left. Ooh, and we count it. 5, 6, 5, 6. Kick your right. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and it gets a little faster. Try it again. 5, 6. Kick your right foot. Go. Kick, step, ball change. Kick, step, ball change. Yes. One more time. 5. If it feels better, take your hands out. You can do it. 5, 6. Kick your right foot. Go. Kick, step, ball change. Kick, step, ball change. If that feels good to you, or if when I show you how to turn your body, you don't like it, just keep it to the front there. So you did kick, step, touch, and then you're just going to change it to kick, step, ball change, right and left. Option 2, what I'm going to do is you're going to take your kick to the side. So I'm just turning my body to the right, and then you're quickly going to turn your body to the left to do the left side. So we're going kick, step, ball change, kick, step, ball change. 5, 6. Kick your right foot to the right, to the left. 5, 6. kick, step, ball change. Right, left, right, left, right, left. 5, 6, kick, step, ball change. Right, left. Very nice. From here, it's a little faster than that, but don't worry, we'll work up. Our last 5, 6, 7, 8, I've seen so many different ways, so it's really your choice. It's a freestyle 5, 6, 7, 8. What I'm gonna do to end mine is we just did kick, step, ball change. There we go. I'm gonna cross my right foot in front of my left. I'm going to unwind these feet to face back to the front. You can actually put your right foot behind. So right foot goes in front, right foot ends up behind, and then I'm just gonna take a little bow. I'm gonna take my leave and go do a little bow there. 5, 6, just like that. So this will be 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're gonna turn 5, 6, 7, 8. So again, we're gonna cross, right foot in front, 5, unwind 6, 7, 8. You can put your feet together. You can leave your feet here. I'm just taking my hand up to the top and then bowing it down. And that's it, y'all. So again, you can jump these feet, 5, 6, 7, 8, or you can just step across. 5, put this foot back kind of far so that you can unwind all the way, and then you'll bow. If you put your foot like up here, you're only gonna unwind to about there. So the farther you put that right foot here, back, the more you're gonna spin around. Don't get dizzy. So this last 8 count is kick, step, ball change, kick, step, ball change, cross 5, unwind 6, then we bow 7, 8. Yeah, and that's the end. Here we go, kick, step, ball change. Keep this to the front, or I'm gonna take it right and left. Here we go, really slow, this last 8 count, you got it. 5, 6, kick your right foot, we go. Kick, step, ball change, kick, step, cross your right, unwind, then we take a bow. Or you can put your feet there to be a little more stable. I might do that. 5, 6, kick your right foot, go right, left, cross your feet. 5, 6, 7, 8. It feels better for me to put my feet together. It's a little more stable, but choose your venture. Try it again. 5, 6, kick your right foot to the right, to the left, cross your right in front, unwind, then we take a bow. Very nice. Let's put our last 2 8 counts together. So we're gonna start from the jump or the little hops, right and left. Then you're gonna do kick, step, touch to the front, kick, step, touch. Then if you want, you're gonna turn this to the right, add your ball change to the left, add your ball change, cross your right foot in front, unwind, step together and bow. Here we go. 2 hops to the right. 5, 6, 2 hops right we go. 1, 2, left, 3, 4. Then we kick, step, touch, kick, step, ball change, then left, cross your right foot, turn it, then take a bow. Yeah, great job. Let's do those last 2 8 counts a little bit faster, or rewind it if you want to go at that tempo again. It is harder to dance with my hands in my pockets than I was expecting. Let's go 2 hops to the right. Here we go, a little faster. 5, 6, 2 hops to the right. Go 1, 2, 3, kick, step, touch, right and left, turn it to your right. Kick, step, ball change, cross your feet, unwind, then we take a bow. Great job. You're doing an awesome job. We're gonna go all the way back to the top. A little bit more dancing with our hands in our pockets. Really super duper slow, putting all 4 8 counts together. Yes, I said that right. So it's gonna start with that 4 hips to your right. Let's go super slow. You can do it. Here we go. 5, 6, step out to your right. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, step left, 6, 7, single, single, double. Right, left, then double to your right, left, right. We're gonna hop to the right for 2 counts, then left, kick, step, touch, then left. Now we kick step, ball change, left foot, cross your feet, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. We're gonna go a little faster. Not as fast as it really is, but a little bit faster. Here we go, 4 to the right, you got it. 5, 6, 4 counts right, go. 1, 2, 3 to the left, step at 5, 6, 7, single, single, double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hop to your right for 2 counts. This is 3, 4, kick step touch, 7 and kick step ball change, cross your feet, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. We're gonna do it one more time. We're gonna go a little faster. I think it's close-ish to the tempo of the music. Remember, if you can do it slow, you can eventually do it faster. You might just have to rewind it. Try it slower again, and then when you're ready, go up, get your tempo going up a little bit. When in doubt, if you're moving, you're doing it right. It doesn't matter if you get none of the steps, just get up and move. Okay, here we go. Last time, done talking. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Step out to your right. Go 1, 2, 3. Now your left. 5, 6. Single, single, double. Right, left, double to your right, left. Right, 2 hops to your right. Go 1, 2, 3. Kick step, touch. 7 and kick step, ball change. Cross your feet. 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. That was it. Fantastic job. This was just something fun to get you up and moving for 10 minutes or however long this video is. It's not supposed to be perfect. It's just supposed to get you up and moving and having fun and feeling good, hopefully. If you're wondering where the music is, remember it's in a separate video. It's tagged down in the description below. It should be up here in a card as well. So go check out that other video, practice it with music. Come back to this video if you need to practice any of the steps. There are timestamps as well in the video description, so you can jump between the different 8 counts to review whatever you need to. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm so glad we got to get up and dance together today. If you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, hit that subscribe button to be notified when new tutorials are released. Thank you again for joining me. I hope you have an incredible rest of your day, and I look forward to dancing with you again in a future tutorial. Bye, y'all.